In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on the ChatGPT search extension. This Google Chrome extension allows you to make ChatGPT your default search engine in Google Chrome. We'll be going over how to install this extension, how to use it, some potential use cases, and much more. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Once we are logged into ChatGPT, you will simply need to click on your profile in the top right and go down to the button which says Get ChatGPT Search Extension. When we click on this, it will redirect us to the Chrome Web Store. Now all we need to do is click Add to Chrome and then click Add Extension. Once installed successfully, you should see a pop-up which says ChatGPT Search has been added to Chrome. We can view this and pin it to the taskbar by clicking the extensions button. Now that we've got the search extension installed, I'm simply going to type, what is the weather like? As you can see, it has now redirected me to ChatGPT with the web search feature activated, and it is processing my question. As expected, it has now provided an answer, and as the search feature usually does, if we click the sources button, it has listed out all the different websites it has used to get its answer from. The ChatGPT search extension is an excellent tool for research tasks, especially those where you have to cite your sources, as ChatGPT quickly finds the relevant information which you are after, and it provides it along with where it got it from. Another example, say I have to write an essay on the volcano Mount Etna. I could simply type Mount Etna facts. Just like before, it has taken me to a new ChatGPT window, and within seconds it has provided a list of relevant facts about Mount Etna. Next to each point it has provided a source button for that specific point. Then right at the bottom is a button to list all the sources which were used in the whole answer. If we don't want to use a search extension, all we have to do is type !G before whatever we are going to type. For example, I'm going to type !G, what is the weather like in Manchester? As you can see, my request has gone through as a usual Google search. Alternatively, we can click on the extension and go to Manage Extension. From here we can turn the extension off and it will no longer redirect our searches to ChatGPT. That's all we have for this video on the ChatGPT search extension for Google Chrome. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.